Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. August is fast coming to a close. Tomorrow is the 1st of September. We forgot to do a workshop walkthrough at the start of August. We were bloody busy, but a lot of Fords in the shed. It was Ford month for August. A couple tough looking Chevy builds got finished off. Give you a quick walkthrough. It looks like it's back to Ram season. A few tough Ram 25, 3500s kicking around in the shed. We just did a film walkthrough for Bennett's massive F350. This is probably the best looking F truck I've had in the shed to date. And we've got a Ram on one hoist. Got another Ram in here. Shout out to Matt Mason. He's one of our first customers that ran the Carly suspension from the start of Big Dog Builds. This combination night edition from OZMV. Look back at our earlier YouTube videos, you'll spot this one. The feedback from Matt has been, this thing drives amazing all round. Really, really comfortable. We went and installed the Ram box tub swap on this one. He's since got AEV snorkel fitted, back in for a Rhino roof rack, off-road creative front bar combo and winch combo. So this thing looks amazing. Shout out to Matt for being one of the first for the Carly here in Australia. We've obviously set a trend for Carly suspension on these trucks in Australia. We just can't fault the product, and we look forward to bringing more and more for these Ram platforms. We've got Ian's Ram in behind us. We're getting a roof rack done on that one. This one is the full airbag setup in the rear. We've gone and adjusted the airbag setup. The factory suspension with the lift kit was a bit ordinary, wandering all around the road. So we've gone and installed our custom tapered spacers as well as the HD airbags in there. Got that one sorted. Then behind me, we've got another granite crystal Ram. So this one's a pretty big build. It's getting battery behind the seats. It's got the Ram box tub, so power into the tub there. Deciding on front bar combo at the moment. A little bit of a chrome delete. Also waiting for the hoist to get Carly suspension installed. Halfway through installing the Amp Research electric side steps on that one as well. And then this big girl on the hoist. So another Carly suspension pin top leveling kit. We've also gone for the torsion sway bar on the front there. This is only a 2.5 inch height. Got some wheels and tires coming for this one. It's got the Norwell canopy on the back. So the big one was setting up the rear suspension to suit the weight of the canopy. That's what we do best here at Big Dog Builds, getting that one sorted. Just installed a fuel tank on that one, so went for the Titan OEM replacement one. But if you've got a Ram, a Chevy, a Ford on order, we've done some amazing builds the last few months. I look forward to bringing next month's shed update. Cheers guys.